Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing Mario because it was the second most voted vote. So, yeah, we're going to be drawing Mario. I hope you will like the video. So, let's basically just get into it.
Alright. So, let's start with his hat. I'm just going to draw a curved line at the top.
Like a mountain.
And then another curved line that's almost as far over, but not. And then we'll make that like a happy worm up there. Alright. And then we'll curve down and connect this down to that. And then up here we do a circle
With an M.
with, believe it or not, an M, yes. It's a me. Alright, and let's do a big curve for the face. And we'll do the same on the other side. Not connecting it all the way to the top. There. So we're going to give him a little bit of that. His hair, he's got curving around at the sides. And then down here we'll give him his little chin with a curve that kind of comes up a little higher than the other parts. Alright. And then we'll come over here and just put a quick line down for the rest of his awesome sideburns there. And we're going to draw little ears on either side like that. Nice job. Alright, put some lines in here to make the ears extra cool. Alright, now let's draw his nose right in the middle. The old Happy Mario nose there. And then two big ovals for the eyes. And down here, making sure we leave enough room for his mustache. We'll give it a little smile there. Great work. And then right underneath the nose, we'll do a line out to the side. And a line out to the side like he's a cat with whiskers. And then we'll come down and kind of curve, 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 curve. And then we can just color that whole thing in. And up here we'll do another line inside for the eyes that's almost to the edge but not. And we'll do another one of those inside.
And he has a lot of these circles.
And we'll leave a little space of white but color in the rest.
It looks like he's hypnotized.
Yep.
It's like,
Alright, and then above his eyes, we'll do his eyebrows.
Oh, I forgot to leave the dot.
That's alright. Just color in some slanted rectangles up there.
And sort of cuts off his hair.
That's alright. Alrighty. Let's see what we can do next here. Just gonna attach the top of these ears so they get a little bigger there. And alright, let's go down here for the suspenders. So on one side of his chin, we'll come down like that. Like one with a big teardrop. But he's not sad. And then on the other side, the same thing. Actually, it's like you made him out of ice cream, and those are the 2 toothpicks or popsicles coming out of this.
Yeah.
Yummy! Alright, and then on top of those, we'll do a little circle here on either side for his buttons. And then a curve that goes across for his big Mario belly there. And then we'll do a big curve on both sides.
It looks like he's like this bunny that has like the arms and just like this big tummy.
He doesn't want to talk about that. Alright, and then we'll do some short lines down for the legs. Like that. And then we'll have his one arm just be curved around behind him like that. And then his other one, we'll do line up diagonally next to his head there for his arm. And then a little curve like that to start his glove. And we'll do one part of his first finger there, his pinky, and then his next finger, and then the next 2 fingers are going to be peace. And then his thumb. Nice job. Alright, now we'll draw some big feet down here. So just a little half circle up on either side. And then, you on there?
I was just working on the others.
And then we'll attach the rest of the pants down here up against that curve. And then down here we'll attach just a straight line to bring his shoes down there. And then a line across, curves and connects. And then we'll just do one more line like this, just below that.
Looks like he's wearing high heels for me.
All right. Now let's, which is we say to jump off to the coloring part.
Now let's storm the castle. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the results, and I hope you have a good day, and I hope I can see you in the next drawing video.